everybody, Vxaton Stardust here. You can call me Joe with therealsocialcompany.com. Today we are talking about keywords or phrases and how you can generate them yourself as perhaps a non-marketing person, a non-agency, how you can make keywords and phrases, how you can find the best ones for your website, and how to use those in a basic sense. So, keywords and key phrases, what are they? Well, keywords and key phrases are what you type into a search engine to find your website. Let's use the example of Columbus hotels. If you're on Google or Bing, you're looking for a place to stay in Columbus, you would type hotels in Columbus, cheap hotels in Columbus, places to stay in Columbus, accommodations in Columbus, motels in Columbus, anything like that. Those are keywords and phrases that you can use to find the material you're looking for. Those are also the keywords and phrases you can use on your website. Now, another way to do it is ask your friends and family, your business partners, anyone around you who's got a computer, hey, what would you type to find something in Columbus, to find what you're searching for? And you can do that for any type of product, information, concept, service that you're selling to find the keywords and phrases for it. A couple other tricks, simple tricks you can use to find keywords and phrases is on Google. If you start typing Columbus hotels, it'll show you a drop down of recently searched items, and it'll have other keywords and phrases in there. It might show cheap Columbus hotels, bad hotels in Columbus. All the things it shows are possible keywords and phrases you can use on your website, the simple ones. Another way to do it, once you type in Columbus hotels on Google or Bing, if you hit enter, it'll return results. The top results, and sometimes the bottom, depending on the search engine, will be the paid for ads that people have placed using keywords now, or similar keywords. So you'll see Columbus hotels, cheap Columbus hotels, accommodations in Columbus, places to stay. Write all of those down. Write down what your friends and family said earlier, your colleagues. Those are all keywords you can use for your product or service. Now, once you have all that, what do you do with it? You have these keywords, I have these key phrases. I'm not an agency, a marketing expert. What do I do? Well, you take those back to your website and say if you're just building a website, you can create a page, Columbus Hotel. And on that Columbus Hotel page, perhaps the title of the page is Columbus Hotel, your first keyword. Then you put, I run a Columbus Hotel. It's a great place to stay. We have accommodations in Columbus. They're affordable, they have a queen size bed, a Keurig coffee maker, etc., etc. Use the keywords and phrases you determined in your content as your page title, as your page description. Use all that in there, but you don't want to overdo it. That's one of the key things. And Google's tricky on this. It's called keyword stuffing. Now, keyword stuffing, and it can cause trouble for your website, but it's nothing to be afraid of. You don't want to overdo it. So you don't have a page where you say Columbus Hotel, Columbus Hotel, Columbus Hotel over and over again like 100 times. Before, people have tried to use that tactic. It would get some sites banned. But if you use natural language, you're perfectly safe using the keywords you came up with in various ways throughout your content. So the page title might be Columbus Hotel. And then in your content, I run a Columbus Hotel. It's a great accommodation in Columbus, a cheap place to stay. Check out our reviews over here. We have a queen size bed. If you're looking for a great accommodation in Columbus, give us a call, have the link so they can book the room, or whatever you're selling, if it's a screwdriver or service, anything like that. Use those keywords in the content in natural language, and you don't even have to worry about keyword stuffing. You're not gonna get that. That's something I just wanted to mention. Don't use it over and over again, but use the different terms that you came up with in your content as you go along. There are tools to determine keywords and how many times people are searching for them. We're going to get into that in another episode of this, but this is just for basic keywords and phrases and how to use that content in a basic sense on your website and get the best results for the money you're spending or the time you're spending generating these keywords. Once again, I'm Vxaton Stardust. You can reach me at info@therealsocialcompany.com, www.therealsocialcompany.com, based in Columbus. We're here to help you with all your agency and marketing needs. Thank you.